No, is it? Come on. All right, whatever. Welcome to one of the better weeks of my life. So today is Saturday. On Tuesday, something just an opportunity presented itself to me. And I got to buy one of my bucket list cars, the hypercar. I'm an old man, so this was like my childhood dream car. That'll be kind of a clue to what car it is. First car to ever hit 200 miles an hour. Car people should already know which car that is, but that was on Tuesday. Now Thursday, my Porsche dealer calls me and says, hey, your GT3's ready. GT3 just arrived. It's on the truck. Want to come unwrap it? I was like, yeah, of course. The first time I got to unwrap a car. That car came in about 2-3 weeks sooner than anticipated. Another special thing about this week, tomorrow, grand opening of our first drive-through for Houston's Hot Chicken. So anyway, we're gonna go pick up the Porsche today, and then this will be part of the grand opening video. And we're gonna try to make Mario hit me. Bentley sled. Delivery ever, because I came in on Thursday, unwrapped the car, paid for the car, so all we got to do is just pick up the keys and drive off. Wow. Woo! Wow. I love this car.
It's all off, everything's off, all the covers off.
Oh, it looks beautiful. What options did I get? It's been 5 months, I forgot. I know I got the LED headlight.
You got the LED matrix headlights there.
Carbon roof.
Carbon roof.
Black ceramic.
Gold wheels. Carbon
seats.
fiber mirror caps. Got all the carbon on the door sill.
Carbon there, carbon inside.
Yep. All the red stitching.
Red stitching, red seat belts, red dial, red lap timer.
Yep.
Manual, of course.
You got the suede package, of course. That's the
race
GT3.
tech. Right?
Yep, that's the race tech.
Dude, that shifter is so small. Here it is, boys. The pussy magnet has arrived. First things we're doing with this car. Straight pipes already on this way. Magnesium wheels are on the way. Straight pipes is headers and exhaust. Gonna twin turbo this car. Gonna blow it up like the GT3 RS. Just kidding, not gonna do that. But I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this car. Honestly, I've always wanted a street cup car, so I think I'm gonna get the cup car fenders, hood, bigger wing. I'm gonna turn it, roll cage, all that. That's normal, right? Race harness, all that stuff. We'll make it a race car for the streets. That's what I want. It's such like a beautiful car. I don't want to mess with it just because it's you know, it is stick, and it might be the last manual GT3 ever made. And if that's the case, the price is gonna go up, and like every other one of my cars, the price is gonna go down because I modified it. But who cares? I want to enjoy the car. I want to have fun with the car, and I think for me, a street cup car fits my personality and what I want. So yeah, let's go check out the hypercar. Got a hypercar and a brand new GT3. Who can guess what the hypercar is? Comment below right now. You're about to see it in, I don't know, a minute. We're gonna get some B-rolls on the way to the hypercar, and then, and whoever... I'm still talking.
Oh, shit,
I guess
bad.
I'm talking too
sorry.
much. All right, fuck it. Meet me at the hypercar. Let's go. One thing about this car that's different than the previous generations, you know, Porsche is evolution always, right? It's never a revolution. So they always tweak one little thing. The one thing they've changed on this car versus the previous ones is the double wishbone suspension. And every single video I watched on this, every like journalist, like, the double wishbone suspension. I'm like, shut the fuck up. Like, it's not that big of a deal. I cannot tell you how big of a deal it is. It is so different than any other Porsche I've driven. It's actually more responsive than like the race cars I've driven. The front end, wherever you point, it goes. When you drive this car tomorrow, Mario, it's gonna trip you out. It's so responsive. And I can't wait to take this thing on the track because I know I'm gonna put down some serious lap times. Porsche, hats off to you. I didn't think the double wishbone suspension was that big of a deal, but oh my gosh, it's out of this world. Okay. yeah, anyway, and that's it. Bye. That's all. That's it. That's review. Porsche 992 GT3 review by Edmond. Behind me is the hypercar. Here's the hypercar. But you got to keep watching. End of this video, at Houston's Hot Chicken, I'll be unveiling it. This is the exhaust that's going on in the car. You should be able to tell what car it is by this 3-exit exhaust. Hey, keep watching. You gotta keep watching the video. Come on, guys. You guys know YouTube. Hey, don't show the car. Come this way. I got Houston a little gift for the grand opening. I called him on the way here. I'm like, hey, man, the Porsche dealer really wants your business. He's like, haha, yeah, I know. I'm like, dude, so I bought the car. They brought me like cups and t-shirts and shoes and glasses and all this like Porsche design stuff. So I'm like, you know, they got me all this stuff. I'm like, hey, Jen, thank you. You know, I really appreciate it. The dealer's like, no, it's not for you. It's for Houston. So, you know, I told him that. So he's expecting gifts. But, you know, it's really just a gift for me. I'm so excited today.
Alright, cool. Alright, bye.
Ready for this?
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready for your gift?
My gift.
Yeah.
Are you gonna re-gift me what Porsche gifted you?
Yeah, basically.
That's awesome.
You get a mug, a t-shirt, and I think they give you Porsche design sunglasses too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
You really want your business over there. They're like, Houston's buying too many Lamborghinis. We need to start buying some Porsches.
Hilarious. Where's my gift?
It's inside the car.
Oh!
It's the trunk.
I love this car. That's
All he wants is
amazing.
his gift. He doesn't care about my new purchase.
I helped design this car. We were in the specking thing.
Houston's never good at putting.
Oh, very nice.
I got you a push present for every time we open up a restaurant.
He knows
you got
me.
a present.
You're just fucking with me at this point.
Yeah.
This is why. He knows.
And
He knows me.
I literally bought blue to match your new hypercar.
I know.
And
That's what I'm saying.
And I left the tag on there so you didn't think I cheaped out on you over there. I walked in, I'm like, give me the most expensive.
I do the
tag
most
you have.
expensive thing here.
She's like, okay, this is what he wants.
I got Edmond a Goyard bag, and this is actually really nice.
Yeah.
I'm so happy the weather is so good.
Python leather.
This is very nice.
It's the perfect time to wear it, going
Yeah.
right into summer.
Exactly.
How's that?
Oh, it feels
Looks good.
It's perfect.
Yeah?
It's only 112 degrees right now, but I'm gonna wear it all day
Whatever,
today.
you're gonna wear them at night.
Yeah.
Congratulations. All right, we'll see you guys at the grand opening tomorrow, which is part of this video, so ciao.
12 to 3.
Giving them away free chicken for everybody.
It's a free chicken giveaway!
All right, guys, line is down to that light over there. Seems like over 1,000 people have showed up, and it's not even opening hour yet, so we have another 10 minutes. We're getting ahead of the food right now, so they're making the food to be able to hand them down so people don't have to wait too long in line. Did we reveal that 40? I don't think we have.
No,
All right,
what's
hey.
that? Show me your 40.
I told you guys I got a hypercar. A hypercar is a hypercar, an F40. The first car in the world to hit 200 miles an hour. $3 million price tag, current market, 300,000 chicken sandwiches, guys. I really need you to come to Houston's Hot Chicken and support me. Start buying some chicken sandwiches, man. I gotta pay for this car. That car over there, the Porsche, it's just like 6 milkshakes. We got the Bentley too, so this is my current fleet until the other cars come in. Yeah, this is Houston's Hot Chicken. Crushing it. Hey. We got Sachi over here. How are you?
Yelena, very
Is that Edmond?
Buddy, how are you?
How are you?
Houston's Hot Chicken #2. Ready to open.
Yes, sir.
All right, at the grand opening of Houston's Hot Chicken here at Unwrapping, we got Las Vegas Raiders running back Josh Jacobs here. What do you think? What do you think?
Fire.
Fire?
Food, fire. Hot, but I like it, you know what I'm saying? But fire, everything's been good.
Hey, can't go wrong with it. All the service here, all the service, all the tenders, all the chicken, everything that you want here at Houston's Hot Chicken. You heard it here first. Las Vegas Raiders, Josh Jacobs.
All right, everyone. So it's about an hour into our grand opening. The line is still to the next block. Gigi showed up with her beautiful car. There we go. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna make a lot of content with that 40. I'm back on my grind on YouTube. I took a 2-year hiatus. I had to sell all my cars to fund this beautiful business that we have.
How much was the F40? How many chicken sandwiches?
300,000 chicken
Can we
sandwiches.
sell like 100 chicken sandwiches, get you a new shirt?
Bro, that's what's up. Thank you guys to everyone who showed up. Thank you for the love and support all these years. Thought you guys didn't do it. I mean, I can't even say how many pictures I took with a lot of you guys. The love is unreal. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now I got my track car. Well, I got 2 track cars. I got the ultimate driver's cars of the respective eras, I would say. Let me know what you guys want to see. A lot of content coming up. I no longer have to spend money funding this business. The business is funding itself, so now I get to buy cars again.